my lovelies, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Tina. Kindly subscribe to my channel. And to my returning wonderful subscribers, I love you. Thank you for your support. In today's video, I'm bringing you a fun and exciting work on the move and remote job opportunities. If you love traveling, if you love flexibilities, if you love chatting with different kind of people and you like helping them as well, this video is for you. Do not go anywhere. Watch to the end. At the end of this video, you would have seen how to apply and grab for yourself this type of wonderful, rare, special kind of job openings. Amtrak is all about making travel accessible and enjoyable to passengers, and they are on a mission to enhance the passengers' experiences. So, what's even better? They are offering a remote positions that you can do from anywhere, as well as offering positions that enables you to travel from one spot to the other, enjoying the beautiful cities while getting paid. Like, seriously? Enough said. Now let's dive into the juicy details. You may be wondering, what kind of remote jobs are we talking about? Well, Amtrak has everything from customer service roles to marketing and even IT positions. Whether you're a people's person or a tech wizard, there is something for everyone. Something for everyone. From customer service jobs to internship and co-ops, laborers, skilled trades, Office of Inspector General, early career jobs, Office of Inspector General 2, conductor jobs, engineering, all the way down to 342 guys. Something for everyone. Okay, for instance, if you are interested in customer service, you want to click open here, and that brings us to this job page. As you can see, customer service jobs. Customer service employees at Amtrak are responsible for creating a welcoming atmosphere for passengers that results in exceeding our customers' expectation. All right. Amtrak employs customer service professionals in various roles and locations, from stations and onboard trains to our call and operation centers. Guys, this tells you that there's something for everyone. What you want to do is start looking. Start clicking and opening and see opportunities waiting for you. It says, whether you are dealing with customers face to face as a train attendant or answering their questions on Twitter as part of our social care team, your role is integral to Amtrak's success as the only intercity passenger rail operator in the United States. All right, and here it says onboard services, OBS. The employees work aboard Amtrak trains, ensuring customers have a safe, comfortable, and pleasant journey with first class amenities. Amtrak is 24-hour, 7 days a week operation. All right, and employees often ride a train along its entire journey, ranging from a few hours to 2 days in length, depending on the route. This will include working nights, weekends, and holidays. All right, and OBS, which is onboard services roles, are both unique and challenging. But if you like to be on the move, like I told you, on the move, and want a job that is far from cookie cutter, this might be the role for you. All right. Station service employees work at Amtrak station and are responsible for providing our passengers with superior customer service from behind the ticket counter or on the station floor or platform. So it's either you're onboarding with them or you want to be stationed, all right? Depending on the size of the station you work, you may be required to contribute to any and all of the duties related to stations passengers and upkeep, including ticket sales, assisting customers while boarding and detraining, baggage handling, cleanup, and more. So, guys, if you want to check it out, these job opportunities endless. Look at this. Click open one of the job posts that interests you. This is customer service rep. Are you ready to join our team? And it says, your success is a train ride away. All right. What are you going to be doing as customer service? It tells you here how much you're getting paid, guys. The hourly range for this is from $28.30 to 37.73, almost $40 per hour, with opportunities for increases as per the applicable collective bargaining agreement, which tells you that you can bargain, you can negotiate, okay? After beginning your employment. It says, look at the benefits. Amtrak offers a comprehensive benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, wellness, flexible railroad retirement, sickness and retirement benefit, and rail pass privileges. Some benefits are subject to collective bargaining agreement. All right. And you may be wondering what is my job duties. This is the summary of the duties. Essential functions aids. You will be responsible for greeting, servicing, and general comfort of each passenger. You will provide assistance to customers with special need, assist passengers with luggage and boarding train. You will make ticket reports promptly, properly safeguard companies' fund properly, and prepare relative reports. You'll be responsible for the proper care and preventative maintenance of ticket printers and all that. You will disseminate information, both verbal, printed, to passengers, including their schedules, their fares, routing, city highlightings, boarding information, tours, and other intermodal transportation. It said, you will ensure passengers train boarding are timely. You are required to perform janitorial duties, that's clean out after your customers disembark. You will also handle checked baggage, package express, and company materials. Guys, is this hard to be paid up to $40 per hour? Here is your minimum qualification. You want to be proficient with baggage and express operation, be able to quote rates and information. You want to be able to lift up to 50 pounds. You want to be able to push or pull baggage cart and operate baggage equipment. You must be skilled in processing all types of Amtrak tickets. Of course, you're going to be paid, you're going to be trained just like every other job. Qualified with the operation of aero, rail rides, stars, and all that. You will be familiar with the operation of passenger information display. Guys, it's not saying anything about you having PhD master's, bachelor's, and all of that. This is minimum qualification. Anyone can do this. Communication and interpersonal skills. You want to have that because it's all about dealing with customers and ensuring customer satisfaction. And then it says you must have excellent reading and oral communication skills, ability to maintain a positive, good nature, attitude, and all that. Guys, read through. If this right here sounds like what you're interested in, do not waste time. There are faster fingers everywhere. The next thing you want to do is apply now. That's it. Click on apply now. It brings you to this career opportunity page. Sign in if you already have an account. If you don't, create an account. Click here and you create an account, and that's it. Creating accounts means put in your email address, choose your password, your first name, last name, and that's it. Lovelies, if you find this video helpful or inspired, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop comments below about what remote jobs you are dreaming of. Until next time, happy job hunting, lovelies.